What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the video. So today we're going to show you how I use my cell phone and my telescope to take moon photos. So first, I start off with my cell phone holder. This is very cheap on Amazon, and remember, this here is my Celestron 127 EQ telescope, also off of Amazon. I think it was $170 some. I think this here was like $20. There's better ones of these. This is just a cheap one, but it works. So what you do is you take your cell phone and you're going to slide your cell phone in the holder and line your camera up. You're going to line your camera up with this hole. Now this here can go up and down and slide up and down, but you want to line your camera up with that hole. And then this side crank here, you just want to tighten it. Then you're going to take your lens. This one here, I have a 40mm lens. And you're going to take your 40mm lens and you're going to take it and stick it right in this hole here and tighten this down. Now, only thing you have left to do is take it and stick right in there like that. And that is how I take photos using my cell phone connected to the telescope. Here are some photos of the moon that I took while using the cell phone and telescope setup. Now, as for upgrades that I've done with this, when you get the Celestron Power Seeker 127 EQ, you'll get a star finder like this, and it has a magnification on there and little crosshairs in the middle. It's very hard to look for certain objects in the sky using this, so I upgraded. You can check out my video, the red dot upgrade. That is this here. I upgraded to this here. It has a red circle, a red circle, and you put the object in that circle. Also, you have to line it up and everything. That is the upgrade that I did with that, just to help me be able to find objects a lot quicker. And I recommend that upgrade. Then I went to Celestron's website and I upgraded the lenses. In here there's a bunch of lenses and filters that come in it. This here is the 20mm eyepiece that you get with the telescope, and it'll also come with, I think, a 2x Barlow lens and maybe a 3x Barlow lens. They work just fine, but the reason why I upgraded is because they are plastic, and I wanted to upgrade to something more durable, like a metal. So that is the reason why I upgraded the lenses. As far as focusing, to be able to focus on the moon, you have knobs right here that go in and out to be able to focus on your moon. Then also you have your camera settings within your cell phone to help focus. So that's pretty much it. These two knobs here just help you fine tune. So when you have your object in view of your telescope, you can fine tune. So that's all these are, is just to fine tune. Then you have a knob on the back here that raises it up and down. And then of course you have your cover that you have to take off in order to see. If with this cover here, if you're trying to take a shot of the moon, the sun, if you're trying to look at the sun, I do not recommend looking at the sun with a bare eye, because you will burn your eye. I do not recommend that at all. Cell phone and cameras are the only way to look at it, but in order to do that, you only take one eyepiece off. You take one eyepiece off. That lets in the minimal amount of light that it takes to be able to see, and you'll be able to see the sun through that. Again, do not look through the eyepiece at the sun with the naked eye. It will burn your eye, so do not do that. I do not recommend looking at the sun at all unless you know what you're doing. Other than that, I guess that's it. So again, thanks for watching, and check out some of the other videos, the red dot upgrade, some of the other astrophotography videos. It's starting to get a little warmer out. The winter constellation Orion is starting to disappear a lot faster tonight, but we have other constellations coming up, other things that we can check out. I would like to check out the moon again, and the chickens are chiming in, so maybe the moon again will be something that we do. So all right, thanks for hanging out, and talk to y'all later.